Hello friends. Today, we are doing unboxing and review of a lot of tow cars and vehicles.
I am really obsessed with these. First we set them and then check each one by one. We are done now. So let's start. First is the friction racing car with big wheels. Here is its display. It is a metal car Lamborghini. Wow, we can open its all doors. With pullback and music, it is a full package. Now it is a girl thing. Press its upper button and leave. The van is on the way. Yay, its eyes can also rotate, nice. Now it is our garbage truck. Its trolley is movable and tires are friction-induced. Just leave it on its way, it's going. It is the yellow hammer car, my favorite. It seems so strong with silver tires. Now the turn is for bulldozer. It is its roller. Its tires are also friction-induced. It is a little van cum bus. It is also started by tires. Here is also an interesting character, the McQueen car. It is also a bike with shocks. When it collides with something, it is also moving while going. Front side is opened. Interesting toy for kids car lovers. Now here it is another crane. It seems of more better quality than with open door light and music. Here is the PUBG Jeep. With doors open, a big back
It's my
wheel
luxury
and music
car.
system. It is my Jeep. It is an old model Prado, nice. It is a fish car toy, again for open door lovers, metal body and pullback option. Its eyes and tail are movable. I hope you enjoyed the video. Little kids. It is aeroplane with metal body. Here is its demo. Here is another aeroplane. Its front button can also be pressed to open it up. Now my heavy bike is coming. It has to open storage boxes. It is very strong. Now is the turn of a cute little bus. It has playing buttons for nursery family. When we start it, its driver also moves. So entertaining. Here is another McQueen car, but in simple version. With plastic body and music system. It is crane. If so, then like, share and Subscribe, it means a lot to me. And yes, press the bell notification button for more upcoming unboxing and reviews.